Hi everyone, I'm Aaron Larson, Executive Editor of Power Magazine. Power is a brand that was founded in 1882. We recently celebrated our 140th anniversary. But Power is much more than just a magazine. We also offer trade shows and conferences, as well as electronic media, which includes e-letters, webinars, a podcast, and much more. Today I'm going to talk about a new product that we have available that's called Power Plant ID. It's a research tool that has information about all the power plants in the United States. I'm going to do a quick demonstration to show you what's all available within the platform. In this case, you can search the platform using multiple different categories. You can enter plant names, you can enter locations, states, or ownership data, and much more. In this case, I'm going to do my demonstration by pulling up the Big Stone power plant, a plant that I used to work at. I'll enter Big Stone in the search category and we'll see what comes up. The first thing that you'll see on the screen is a map depicting where the location is. We can zoom out to find a better view of exactly where this plant is located. In this case, it's on the border of South Dakota and Minnesota, straight west of Minneapolis. Other information that's available includes the street address, latitude and longitude of the exact facility, the NERC region, utility, operator, and status. As we scroll down, the next information we come across is from our Insights partner, Enverus Renewables. In this case, it shows information and market data from within a 50-mile radius of the Big Stone power plant. On the right-hand side, we see project capacities listed by summation, which in this case shows a lot of wind in the queue. There's also battery storage, solar PV, and the coal plant listed here. If we look to the left-hand side, we can see the status of each of the different capacities. Much of this capacity is actually in a suspended status, but there is about 2,000 megawatts of operating capacity within the 50-mile radius of Big Stone. There's also much more information available from Enverus if we click on this link that shows Access More Insights. It'll take us to a page that shows what they have available and what you can dive deeper into. As we scroll down, the next information we come across is our emissions data. In this case, it shows the NOx emissions, SO2, CO2, and other information from the plant. It also shows the nominal heat rate and the annual coal net generation from the Big Stone power plant, among other things. This is information that's available from the Environmental Protection Agency, but we've incorporated it into our tool to make it easy to research and find and have a more user-friendly experience. Scrolling down, we come up to the generation that's at the site. In this case, there's a steam turbine that's fired by the coal boiler, and there's also a petroleum's liquid standby unit. It shows the nameplate capacity of each as well as the operating month and year that they came into service. The ownership breakdown is also shown. In this case, Otter Tail Power Company is the majority owner, with Northwestern Energy and Montana Dakota Utilities holding shares as well. Scrolling further down, we see the net generation by fuel type. In this case, coal was the biggest net generation, with distillate fuel oil also having some in 2021. This could have been for startup of the boiler or in the standby unit. So this is the type of information that's available in the Power Plant ID database tool. You can go to powermag.com and click on Power Plant ID to learn more.